Welcome. So in this session we are going to see how we are going to debug our React Native application. So basically we need debugging for understanding the code flow and for solving issues. So the requirement of this session is going to be like in my React Native application, I want to show these console logs. I have some console logs in my application. Okay, I have some console logs in my application. I want to see it in my React Native application once it starts and runs, and I want to see the elements. I want to analyze the elements which the React Native application is showing. Okay, so for before we go inside how we are going to do this, let me first explain the project setup, in which I am going to show how we can remotely debug our React Native application. So in this I have already started my React Native application. Here you can see I have already started this one, which has installed built and installed the app. So React Native Run Android I have run in one of the CMD command console. In another command console I have started the development server using React Native start reset catchy, and these all are running, and I am able to see my application in the emulator. So I will also show you this is a code which which it is currently running in my simulator. So it basically 2 pages, no components, 2 pages. So let us move inside on how we are going to do the remote debug in React Native. So to start with, we need to press Ctrl M, okay, to see that Ctrl M. Okay, so you focus on this simulator and do Ctrl M. You should be able to see. So I am able to see a pop-up. In this, click on Remote Debug JS remotely. Okay, I have clicked on it. It should be opening a tab right now for enabling us to do remote debugging. Let us see. So it has opened the terminal, but it is not able to connect. So if you leave like this, it will be there is an issue with this. The React Native, there is a issue with this version, okay, which I have taken. So the issue, you can find it out here. I will just copy paste this issue to the description so that you can go through it. So there is an issue. So it basically starts the emulator. This is the existing issue which I was talking about. So it actually starts in the port of the emulator rather than in the local host. So as a workaround to come out of this issue, what we need to do is just change this 10.0.02 as localhost. Now we should be able to connect to the debugger UI. So you will be able to see waiting. Still it is not connected to our React Native application. Okay, it is not still connected. So to make it connect, we have to follow the steps. For the deeply understanding of the issue, you can go to this URL. I will be pasting this URL in the description. So what we need to do is we should be changing the 10.2.2.1 in which it was open to localhost, and we should be restarting our React Native application. So let me restart. So I will go to this application command prompt where I did this command React Native run Android. I will do it again. Let us wait for it to come back. So basically our requirement is this waiting should be showing the status as connected. Then only it means that it is connected to the our React Native application and we will be able to see the console logs. Okay. Let us wait for it to complete. Here you can see that it is about to complete. I think it is actually installing the app on my simulator. Now you can see the build is successful and it is trying to start the app in my simulator. It is done and just wait for it, the status. So now you can see that status is changed as debug session active. So right now it is connected to my React Native application. This debugger UI is connected to my simulator. And let us go to that terminal. So it is showing some warnings. So now we are able to see our home page. So let me try to see whether I am able to see the console logs. What I will put in the application. So let me do an inspect on this. So it has opened the development console, and in the console I should be able to see the messages I put in the React Native project. So here you can see all the consoles which I put. Hello, hello11, reach, login, and all the consoles which I wanted to see. All the props object, whatever I put in my React application, right now I am able to see. Okay. This one, so you can see that all the consoles which I put, reach, login, and props, and the hello messages and the hello consoles. So our one of our requirement is done. Next I want to analyze the element which the React application is rendering on the simulator. For that we need another tool. Okay. We actually need a tool called React Dev Tools, which is provided by React team. So to download that, you can go to this npm URL. I think I have already opened that. So you need to go to this npm URL and download this DevTools globally. Okay. I have already downloaded this DevTools. You can simply go to a command prompt. I will go to the command prompt, move move to maybe a D directory. I just need to execute DevTools for opening in React, for analyzing the element in React Native. We need to open this as a standalone application. So let us open it as a standard application by entering it React DevTools on the command prompt. So this should open a standalone app for me, which will enable me to see, analyze the elements on my simulator. So now it has opened the React DevTools for us. It is for React Native application. You need not do anything. It will automatically connect to the already open React Native application. So, but it takes some time to connect. Just open the React DevTools and it should connect to the open React Native application automatically. Just open this, and now it is done. Now you should be able to see the elements which the React Native application renders on the simulator. So these are the elements. So if you go inside, you should be able to see. This is actually for this element you are seeing this much with HTML tag because the JSX gets converted into the JavaScript. Basically the JSX. So here you are able to see the logout element. It is wrapped under different elements because of JSX conversion. If you like this video, kindly comment and also kindly subscribe. Thank you.